Discover the world of digital pianos, where technology meets musical artistry. In this video, we'll explore the best digital pianos available today, highlighting their unique features, sound quality, and versatility for musicians of all skill levels. From beginner-friendly keyboards to professional-grade instruments, each model offers a rich palette of sounds and advanced functionalities. Learn about the key specifications, connectivity options, and what makes each digital piano stand out. Join us as we help you find the perfect piano to elevate your musical journey. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Casio Privia PX870, our pick for best budget digital piano. Looking for the best budget digital piano? Look no further than the Casio Privia PX870. This exceptional instrument features 88 scaled, weighted hammer action keys that mimic the feel of an acoustic piano. Simulated ebony and ivory textures enhance the tactile experience. You'll love the stunning new piano sound with rich resonance that gives every note depth. It boasts 18 additional tones, allowing for creativity beyond the standard piano sound. The powerful 4-speaker system projects sound beautifully, ensuring you can fill any room with music. Recording, practice, and performance tools come packed with versatility. The stylish wooden cabinet adds a modern touch, making it a beautiful addition to any space. Plus, a sliding key cover keeps your instrument protected when not in use. This bundle even includes a furniture bench, headphones, and instructional materials. You can jump into learning with step-by-step lessons and enjoy a month of playground sessions. What stands out most is how accessible this setup makes learning your favorite songs. Some users may find the keys feel slightly lighter compared to premium models. This can be a minor adjustment for those used to a heavier touch. It remains one of the best choices for budget-conscious musicians. Number 4. Yamaha P7188 Key, our pick for best value digital piano. Looking for an unbeatable digital piano? Check out the Yamaha P7188 Key. This model impresses from the start with its power adapter and sustain pedal included, offering fantastic value right out of the box. 88 fully weighted keys mimic the feel of an acoustic piano, making practice enjoyable. You'll love how these keys respond to your touch, providing a true piano experience. Exploring the 10 different voices is a joy. Choose from rich tones, including sounds that resemble real Yamaha grand pianos. Combining voices in dual mode adds creativity to your sessions. Imagine playing piano alongside lush strings for a richer sound. It opens up a range of artistic possibilities for every musician. A compact design makes this piano perfect for those with limited space. At less than 12 inches in depth, it fits seamlessly into your home. Despite weighing only 25 pounds, the build quality feels robust. While some might prefer a more extensive sound library, the existing voices are versatile enough for most needs. You'll discover endless ways to enhance your music journey. Love exploring sounds? The Yamaha P71 is designed for you. Experience the best value in the digital piano market and see how it can elevate your playing today. Still looking for the perfect digital piano to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Donner DDP 6088 Key, our pick for best beginners digital piano. Looking for the perfect start in music? The Donner DDP 6088 Key Digital Piano shines as an excellent choice for beginners. With 128 polyphony voices and a wide range of tones, players can explore varied musical styles effortlessly. This rich selection profoundly enhances the expressive power of performances, allowing you to add depth to your playing. Crafted with a full-size, velocity-sensitive keyboard, this piano is designed to grow with you. Multiple velocity curves cater to your developing touch, making early learning enjoyable. You'll appreciate the minimalist design that fits beautifully into any space, turning your practice area into an elegant art zone. Utilizing its dual mode, 2 people can play together, making it a fantastic teaching tool. USB MIDI connectivity and recording functions accelerate your learning process, adding fun to practice sessions. You'll find ample options for headphones and pedals, ensuring a comfortable playing experience. What stands out most? The versatility that caters to all learning styles. details. While the blue plastic film on the piano's feet protects during transport, it can feel less sleek initially. However, removing it easily reveals its polished finish. Explore the Donner DDP60 further to see why it's the ultimate beginner's digital piano. Number 2, Donner DEP20, our pick for best mid-range digital piano. Looking for the best mid-range digital piano? Look no further than the Donner DEP20. This instrument stands out with its full-weighted 88 keys, providing an authentic playing experience. Hammer action keys give you control over touch response, catering to your unique style. With 238 tones and 128 note polyphony, you can explore a wide variety of sounds. Whether it's strings or percussion, every instrument shines through clearly. You will enjoy creating music because combining dual tones adds a new level of creativity. Pairing a piano sound with a drum beat feels effortless on this model. Users will appreciate the clear backlit LCD screen, making it easy to read chord names and adjust settings. Recording modes like MIDI and MP3 playback elevate practice and performance to an exciting level. Plus, 2 powerful 25W amplifiers fill your space with rich, vibrant sound. While the control panel has plenty of features, it might feel overwhelming for beginners. However, with a little practice, navigating it becomes intuitive. What I love most is the versatility this digital piano offers for all skill levels. As a result, the Donner DEP20 is an excellent choice for musicians looking to expand their capabilities. Explore this fantastic instrument to elevate your music experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Yamaha 88 Key, our pick for best digital piano overall. Looking for the best digital piano? Look no further than the Yamaha 88 Key. With GHS weighted action, it mimics an acoustic piano, making playing feel natural. Heavier keys in the low range and lighter keys in the high offer a realistic experience. AWM dynamic stereo sampling elevates your sound quality. This technology captures various playing strengths, recreating nuances of an acoustic instrument. In addition, damper resonance DSP adds depth, mimicking the rich sound of a grand piano when dampers are off strings. Worried about volume? The volume limiter protects your hearing. You can enjoy practicing with or without headphones without overwhelming noise. Controlling your piano has never been easier. The Smart Pianist app makes it simple to access major functions. It even analyzes songs from your library with chord tracker technology. Duo mode allows convenient learning alongside a partner. You both can practice together in the same octave, making lessons fun. Touch response feels authentic, and half damper pedal control gives expressive variation. One minor downside: portability could improve. Yamaha's 88 Key provides exceptional value and performance. Check it out to discover a fantastic addition to your musical journey. That wraps up our list of the best digital piano. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which digital piano you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.